Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Jeannie Antrim. I'm an SLP and AAC therapist and I have been for the past 9 years. Today we're going to target the core vocabulary word, all. All means the entirety of something or group of things. Now let's find it on our devices. On Word Power 60 Basic on the TouchChat app, all.
All.
On the LAMP Words for Life app, the full version, all.
All.
On Snap Core First from Tobii Dynavox with an 80 grid, all.
Ooh.
Now let's practice using the word all for different functions of communication. I could say a joke using the word all. I could say, what do you call all the bears who do not have any teeth? Gummy bears. I could give an opinion. I could say, I love all these stuffed animals. I could protest or reject and say, no, I hate all the red food. I could share and show and say, these are all of my seashells. I could request an action and say, I want to see all of the animals at the zoo. I could make a comment and say, all of my classmates are fun. I could label and say, those are all vegetables.